I'm stressed at work, I'm stressed at home, I'm stressed at college. These are words that we continuously hear from our near ones. You know why one person gets stressed? It's because they are not able to accept the reality of something happening. For example, you have planned for something to happen and it doesn't happen for some reason. The immediate rejection causes stress in our body. It causes a chemical reaction in our brain that induces a lot of mannerisms. For example, somebody who continuously keeps shaking their hand or legs while talking might seem like they're very casual. But same way, some people clench their teeth as a stress relieving mechanism. You can see them biting their jaws or clenching and bruxing their teeth. In this situation, we will be able to help them with dental acupuncture by relieving their stress, compartmentalizing their thoughts, and thereby changing their thought process for life as well. This is one of my patients who's come to us for correcting her clenching habit and thereby relieving her bruxism as well.